Class 8, Chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Exercise 3.1, Question number 6. Question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. In that sub-question A. So, we can see the quadrilateral here. Quadrilateral means which polygon has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides in this polygon. Here n is equal to 4. Number of sides is equal to 4. This is the formula to find the sum of the angle. That is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N means number of sides. So, number of sides are 4. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 degree is 360 degree. Therefore, sum of the angle is equal to 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. Angle B is 360 degree. Angle C is 120 degree. Plus angle D is X is equal to 360 degree. So let us add this one. 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree is 300 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360. 300 degree. Just bring to right hand side. It will become minus 300 degree. 360 minus 300 is 60 degree. So value of x is 60 degree. Sub question B. Here we can see the quadrilateral. There are 4 sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is equal to 4. Then sum of the angle is 360 degree. According to angle sum property, when we add 4 sides, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, that is equal to 360 degree. Here angle A is x. So we need to find the value of x. Then what about angle B? Here they are not given the angle for angle B. So let us consider it as angle 1 and angle 2. So it is easy to find the value. See, sum of this is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 160 degree. 180 degree. Why? Means it is linear pair. This is linear pair. We can see here half circle. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree because this is perpendicular. So, angle 2 is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 90. So, angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. So, 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Clear? Here angle A is x plus angle B is 90 degree. Only interior angle 90 degree plus angle C is 60 degree. Angle D is 70 degree. Angle D is 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. So let us add 90 plus 60 plus 70, that is 220 is equal to 360 degree. Then x is equal to 360 degree, 220 bring to right hand side, it will become minus 220 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 220 is 140 degree. Question C. We can see the pentagon here. Pentagon means there are 5 sides in this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then n is equal to 5. Number of sides is equal to 5. Angle sum of polygon is equal to, this is the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula to find sum of the angle. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 degree is 540 degree. Let us see here. Let us mark this one as A, B, C, D, E. Then angle A is 30 degree. Angle B, that is x. Angle E also x. We can see here double mark, here also double marked. So angle B is equal to angle E. Next, angle C and angle D. We cannot find any interior angle here. They are given exterior angle. Exterior means outside. So, we need to find the angle of interior. So, how to find? Let us consider it as angle 1 and this one is angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Because this is linear pair. Angle 1 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then, how to find angle 1? 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Then angle 1 is 110 degree. Here also same thing. When we add these two angles, that is equal to 180 degree. So 60 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, bring to right hand side, that is minus 60 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. So we know the angle of sum, that is 540 degree. So angle A is 30 degree. Angle B we need to find, that is X. Even angle E also X. But angle B and angle E both also equal. So angle C is 110 degree. Angle D is 120 degree. So let us add 30 degree plus 110 degree plus 120 degree. That is 260 degree. Plus X is 2X. 2 times of X is equal to 540 degree. Then 2X is equal to 540. 260 bring to right hand side, that is minus 260 degree. 540 minus 260 is 280 degree. 2x is equal to 260 degree. We need to find the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 280 degree. 2. It will become divided by 2 because 2 into x. So, when you take to right hand side, it will become divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 0. So, x is equal to 140 degree. Sub question D. This is also one of the pentagon. There are 4 sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. So interior angle also they are given, that is x, 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 x. 5 sides also x. So let us find the sum of the angle. So sum of the angle formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is 5. Number of sides are 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 degree is 540 degree. 5 sides is equal to 540 degree. 5x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x is equal to 540 degree. X is equal to 540 divided by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 108 degree.